Steve's most recent
What a
email
good boy.
was sent just 8 days before
What a
the
good baby.
tragedy.
Yeah, what a good baby. I love you. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you are.
Yes, we are counting them down. I love you.
Pretty, pretty. Pretty.
Yes.
Were there plans made by you and Steve together, and what were you going to do?
We were going to go to Tennessee. I had a cabin money in Tennessee.
At some point, were you given a date to say he's going to be here that day?
Yes.
And what day was that?
It was the weekend of March the 4th.
Not only was Steve going to lead cricket, he was going to do it on the day that cricket leads school. This was a stunning twist of the case.
Can you recall anything else he said to you in that regard? About what he would have to do to leave her?
He just said, trust me, that there were things he had to take care of.
You're so funny.
Following the shocking revelation, Detective Bo Cook needs to determine if Tanya is involved in the murder. Can anyone give you an alibi for March 4th?
I was at home with my kids. We were getting ready to welcome Steve home.
I was suspicious of what she was saying.